What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the myEcon 2025 Success Stories playlist. Here we go with yet another one. And as you can see, the screen is starting to fill up. Many people getting great results on our team. What we're showing you in these videos is literally the people on our team that are having success, exactly what they're doing and how they're doing it. And I'm breaking it down, whether they're using social media platforms, which ones they're using, how they're using them. All you got to do if you want to see what people are doing to get real results in myEcon right now in 2025, all you got to do is follow along here on this playlist, and I'm going to show you what they do, how they do it, and of course, how you can do it too. So plain and simple, when all of these people get started, we're giving them our done for you team training system here, which has all of your sales funnels, your marketing, your content, everything you need to get out there and start building and growing your business. And we have all of the training, which shows you exactly how to get going on specific social media platforms. So whether you want to do, YouTube or TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, whatever it is, we have the training here for you, which walks you through exactly what to do and how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to jump right into it. We're going to be talking about one of the founders, one of the folks that literally does some of the training inside of the funnel team marketing and training system, and that is none other than Kyrsti Snyder. So you will see her all over our Facebook group inside of the team training here, and she is officially in myEcon. I'll move my camera out of the way there so you can see it. She is a CEO Infinity, highest rank inside of myEcon. And she just, smashes sales every single week. She's bringing in on average, 20, 25, 30, sometimes 50 new team members every single week. Just absolutely incredible marketer. And, it's easy, again, like things I've gone over in the past, it's easy to say with any of these people, well, they have a following, or they have, they've been doing it for a while, or whatever it is. And I'll keep saying this over and over and over again. When Kyrsti, I remember when she started, it wasn't in myEcon, but it was a different business. I remember when she started about 4 or 5 years ago. She was brand new, no TikTok following, no YouTube following, no Facebook following, no experience whatsoever in online marketing. She started at zero. So I know a lot of you, because a lot of you guys comment this on the channel here, is, oh, you throw out the excuses that people have a following. So you can't get results like they do because you don't have the following that they do. And you'd be 100% right if you just sat there and you did jack shit and you didn't do anything. But if you start, you got to remember this. Everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. Do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to stay at zero? Do you want to stay struggling, stay complaining? Stay in the same spot, keep leaning on that crutch over and over again, keep using those excuses? How long do you want to let your excuses define you, my friend? We're going to show you in all of these videos exactly what these people are doing and how they did it. Just go do it. Stop the excuses. Just go do it. Okay? So, what exactly is Kyrsti doing to make sales? Let me break it down for you, okay? So it all starts with her Facebook profile, okay? All starts here. This is where she takes the most amount of action. Now, she's over on TikTok too, but mainly where she gets the most amount of her leads and the most amount of her sales, it all starts with Facebook. So she creates, on average, about 3 to 5, sometimes 8 or more reels, Facebook reels. So short form video, it all starts with short form video and posts. Those are the two main things that she's doing over here on Facebook. So you can see some of the short form videos here. Okay, short form video, that was a picture of her and her family. Short form video, short form video, short form video, again and again. And then occasionally she'll throw in a post, okay? And I'll see if I can scroll down and show you what I mean here. Same thing that if you saw the other video that John was doing, it's basically the same exact thing. I think Richard was doing something like this as well. Again, guys, this is what we teach inside of our Facebook group. So if you are in our team, our Facebook group, this is literally what we do and teach at least once or twice a week. I literally go do the work. You guys follow along and do exactly what we're showing you. That's where we get some of these posts right here. So, I mean, just, straight up, you can see right here, I'll grab my little draw tool really quick. You can see this post right here, 373 comments. So a lot of people comment on some of these basic posts. Okay. So here's the next step in the equation. There's really two main factors to exactly what she's doing and how she's doing it. Okay. So number one, all starts right here with Facebook. And I'm going to just literally draw this out for you. Okay. So it starts with Facebook. Okay. Now in the call to action, okay, there's two things happening here. In the call to action, what she's doing is she's either A, asking people to DM her, sending her a direct message, or B, if they don't do that, what she's going to do is she's going to send them, if they do direct message her, she's going to send them over to her YouTube channel. And I'm going to walk you through what this looks like, okay? So it starts on Facebook, and then the call to action is either A, on some of these posts or the videos, is to direct message me, or down in some of these comments, if we were to go look at these, it would be like, hey, head on over to my YouTube channel. So if the call to action is direct message me, in the direct message, she's going to say, hey, head on over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to find out when they have time to watch our tutorial. She's going to ask some qualifying questions in there, which, by the way, we cover inside of our training. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. And then the goal is to get them from Facebook over to YouTube. Okay. Now, what happens over on YouTube? What type of information is she showing? How is this working? Let me show you. Okay. So they go from here. Okay. Once they get in touch with her, she's going to bring them over here to the YouTube channel. And it's as simple as this. She's only pointing them to one video. Not all the videos, not everything in here, literally just one video. And you can kind of guess what it is. It's this one right here. Okay. And you can see right here, this was only posted 11 days ago. It's got already almost 2,500 views. So this video will kind of rotate out. She'll kind of swap out what the video is, but the video is basically a what we call a VSL, a video sales letter, or a sales video. I mean, that's essentially all it is. So we call it a VSL, video sales letter. That's what this type of video is. It's the same video that we would have in like our sales funnels. If you use one of our sales funnels, we've created, multiple different sales funnels you guys can use. Someone goes through a capture page, they land on a sales page, and then the sales video, the VSL, does the selling and telling for you. So when you bring people over from Facebook over here, they're going to watch basically a sales video. Okay. So now you might be thinking, okay, cool. I understand the concept. I understand the process. What is in the sales video? Okay. Let me show you. Again, like no secrets here, guys. I'm going to walk you guys through. Okay. Let me just mute out the ads here. Okay. Going to walk you through exactly what she covers inside of her video. So here's an intro, the hook, right? Then goes on, talks about, making money from home. Now she's going to show some income proof. Boom. Shows you guys what you get, what the membership is, which is obviously myEcon. Okay. Shows you our team training site, which I've showed you here. Okay. Literally, I mean, there's no secrets to what her video talks about. It's the same thing. If you were to go watch my tutorial, which is link in the description down below, you would see that my tutorial is very, very similar to hers. I just walk you through exactly what you're going to get. And that's all she's doing in her video, walking you through what you get. Okay. Hey, if you join at, this level, the $99 level, you're going to get all this stuff, and literally just walks you through it. Okay. So it's basically just taking people through a guided tour of exactly what they get when they partner with her, with us, with our team, and with myEcon. Okay, so again, and then recaps it again, goes over everything that you get, walks you through, hey, recap again, let me take you over to the team training site. Here's how to get started. It's a very, very, very basic video, my friends. Okay, like it's not rocket science what she's doing. Everything that I'm showing you here in this entire series, okay, all of these people is not rocket science what they're doing. They're creating short form content, and they're trying to get people from the short form content to the long form content. That's it. Like, that's all I got. There's no secret. Okay. So now let's break it down a little further. What type of short form videos is she using? Oh, wait, it's here in our team training site, and she literally teaches and trains it right here in this process called the 4-point formula. Everything that's in here, Okay, I'll make it really simple for you. Everything that's in here, all right, in the 4-point formula is in all of her content. Oops, let me grab my drawing tool. My bad. Okay, everything that's in there is in her content over here in her videos. So like what she talks about in these videos, how she structures the verbiage, what she says, how she says it, all of those things is all covered right here. So again, you could be like, "Oh, well, she's good at short form content. She's good at YouTube videos." Yeah. Where do you think all that training and education is? Right here in our team training site. Oh, she's good at YouTube. Cool. She learned it all right here in YouTube University. No secrets, my friend. No secrets. So, what is one of our top producers on our team doing? How did she rank up to infinity in myEcon? How is she finding success? How are all of these people finding success? Plugging in, doing the work. That's it. That's it. No secrets here in this playlist. If you want to get to this playlist so you can watch some of these other success stories to find out what they're doing and how they're doing it, link in the description down below. It will take you right here to what you see on your screen. Also, if you're ready to get started at this point because you're tired of just watching video after video after video and you want to start doing and you want to start making some money with myEcon, link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me, of course, leaving my real phone number right there at the top of this video. Reach out, text me, ask me anything. Okay. And also, if you want to see my full tutorial, just like Kyrsti showed you hers, okay, I'll show you mine. That link is also in the description down below. If you made it to this point in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash the crap out of that button. Smash it. Also, hit that bell icon, get notified anytime I upload new content here to the channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Truly appreciate you watching this playlist. Truly appreciate you being here watching these videos. There's no secrets here with us, my friend. We tell you and show you exactly what to do here in our team training site. All you have to do is show up and do the work, just like all of these other people that we're talking about here on these videos. And if you continue to watch more of these videos, I'm just going to continue to show you exactly what people are doing and how they are doing it. If you decide that you want to do it too, you can find success, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.